These are the 5 facts you need to know about Shirataki noodles. Brought to you by EasyVidWiki. Fact number 1. The public regard for Shirataki noodles has risen in the past decade. It has coincidentally mirrored the rising rates of obesity in the United States. Fortunately, a growing incidence of weight loss trends is actually evidence of the population's desire to become healthy. Many dietary replacements have sprung up in order to support this desire. At the forefront are not low-carb replacements for dietary staples. Fact number 2. A low-carb diet asks participants to leave out sugars, starches, margarine, alcohol, and even fruit. This means that soft drinks, pastas, potatoes, rice, and breads must all be left behind. The problem is that these are dietary staples for most. This causes many people to feel there's something missing from their dietary intake. This does not have to be the case with Shirataki noodles. See the most recently updated list of the best Shirataki noodles you can find. Go to EasyVidWiki. Or click beneath this video. Fact number 3. These noodles have little flavor on their own. This allows them to be very flexible in their culinary applications. It's easy to create delicious Asian dishes like pad thai and lo mein with Shirataki noodles. The same applies for Italian dishes normally made with whole wheat pasta. Fact number 4. Dieters seek these noodles out for a number of benefits. Pastas are often made with enriched wheat, which is lower in bioavailable nutrients and loaded with carbohydrates. Consuming these noodles, on the other hand, allows people to increase their fiber intake while reducing carb consumption and calorie count. They're also a perfect replacement for people with dietary limitations, like celiac disease or wheat sensitivities. Fact number 5. Shirataki noodles often come prepared and ready to cook. Anyone looking for a quick, healthy lunch can simply use them in place of their normal noodles to feel lighter and help avoid the afternoon crash. They're also an easy addition to broths to make quick soups. Visit the wiki. Get the most recent list of the best Shirataki noodles you can get. Go to wiki.easyvid.com or click beneath this video to see it.